Now, why is it important? Firstly, it will help you to understand basis of finance. That is very important. Second, that is the foundation. Okay, that goes without saying. Another important thing is that it will help you become more confident when it comes to your financial decisions. It will increase the financial literacy rate of India, because as per a study, it has been found that only 1% of Indian population and 8% of the global population is financially literate. Okay, so it is a very important thing to be a financially literate person, because having domain knowledge is important. But apart from that, you belong to any field, be it a lawyer, doctor, engineer, HR, any person. Financial knowledge or financial literacy is important at each and every stage, because whatever money you are earning, you should be able to understand where to invest, how much to save, how much to keep for future, how much to save for your children's education. If you have goals to send them to abroad for higher studies, how much you should be planning at this stage. So all these are very important aspects that we need to understand.